Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad to see you here, and if you're new here we do a lot of trading and I teach you how to do it successfully so you don't waste your money and take a really good risk. I'm here to teach you how to do that. So guys, I have a closed group. If you still don't know this or you are still thinking if you want to join it, you really should join it because I'm sharing my trading signals for free. It is a closed group with limited amount of people. If you want to be a part of this group, please text me code word signal in my Telegram account. I left the link in the description box. Also, be sure to watch this video till the end. Put a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And let's start trading. Today we'll trade with you using Parabolic SAR indicator. This indicator will tell us pivot points and future direction of the price movement. So guys, I want to remind you what is the signal to open a deal and how to use this indicator. So this indicator is already connected and all the settings are left by default. I just changed the color and made the thickness of our dots a little bigger so that they could be seen better. As you can see, the points are located at the bottom and top of our chart. The signal is the moment when, for example, points begin to form from the bottom of our chart. This situation tells us that in the near future the price will move up. Also, when, for example, the points approach directly to the candles themselves, the situation tells us that reversal will occur in the near future and points will begin to appear above our chart. And this in turn means that in the near future the price will move down. Also, when, for example, points begin to form with a large distance from each other, such a situation says that there is a good confident directional movement, and using the hints of this indicator you can determine the expected price movement. I want to give you some advice right away that in a superior trend it is better to wait from the points from above our chart and open deals for an increase in the uptrend. Also, in a downtrend, open downtrends and wait for the dots to appear on the top of our chart. Also, of course, it is worth paying attention to the support and resistance level and trading situation as a whole. I also want to warn you that this indicator, as any other indicator, is an auxiliary tool of technical analysis, so only combination of technical analysis and hints of indicator will give you a good result. So I think in today's trading we will find different situations on the market, so please be sure to watch this video till the end so you will see how to work with Parabolic SAR indicator. See that the price is steadily moving down. There is also a support level at the bottom. There is also a certain zone and there is an internal level of support. Also, several dots have already appeared above the graph. This tells us that in the near future the price will move down. At the moment, the price is at the internal support level. There is a certain compression. Here I propose to open a deal with a margin of 3 minutes for a decrease. I think that in this situation it is more likely that the price will continue to move down, since the price here has also recently had an excellent potential for a decline. 3 minutes also is a margin, taking into account that some pro-trading may occur, but we see that there is no rollback as such. But even if this happens in the near future, I think that 3 minutes will be quite enough and the price will still continue moving down. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Okay guys, so check this result, it's quite good. The price continued to move down and we are making a profit here. The internal level was also breached. The price is moving slowly but surely. Also, this indicator gave us a good entry point and it helped us to determine the further price movement. Not a bad start, I think. Here we have a level of support. We also see that there has been a pullback from this level, and after the pullback the price moves down again. At the same time, a couple of dots have already appeared above the graph, and in this situation I propose to open a deal for 2 minutes for a decrease, since the price here also has a good potential for a decline and the general trend of the price is going down. So I think that in the near future the price will continue to move to the level and 2 minutes will be quite enough for us. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Okay guys, that's a great result. The price really continued to move down and this level was broken through and we get a confident profit. So this indicator works fine. Let's continue. Here we have a level of support down here. We also see that after touching the level there was a pullback down and now the price has come up to our level again. Also the price has an excellent potential for a decrease. At the same time a couple of dots have already appeared above the graph. And here I propose to open a deal for 2 minutes to decrease. Just the price has rolled up and this is a good point to open a deal. I think that in this situation it is more likely to continue moving down at the support level in the near future. It is also possible that this level will be breached since the price has already approached this level for the second time in the last 5 minutes. It is also possible that this level will be broken, and so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, that's great guys, I like this result. As you can see, the price continued to move to the level and we are making profit here. Although this level has not yet been broken through and at the moment there is some kind of pro-trading, some accumulation of the forces before breaking through, I think it will happen soon. Just at the moment the price is starting to go beyond our level with an impulse, and here I suggest opening a deal for 1 minute to decrease. I think that in this situation it is more likely that the price will continue to move it to the bottom. Also this indicator continues to form points above our chart, and so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, it's not bad at all. This is where we are making profit, and this indicator gave us a good entry point. The price really continued to move down and this level was broken. The price is fixed below the level and everything is going well guys. We have a level of support down here. We also see that after the rollback there was a reversal and the price is moving down. Also the main price highs are getting lower. The overall potential of the price is going down. At the same time a couple of dots have already appeared above the chart, and here I propose to open a deal for 2 minutes to decrease. I think that in this situation the price will continue to move towards the level, and since the price here has recently had a good potential for a decline, 2 minutes also is your margin, taking into account the possible pro trade, and so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, that's quite good guys. The price continued to move down. Also, this level has been broken through and we are making profit here. And we also see that the points of our indicator began to form with a larger distance from each other. This is exactly the situation when the price continued to move down with good, impulsive, confident red candles. So far, everything is going well. Here we see that there was a good confident uptrend. There is also a resistance level at the top, and after touching the level a rollback occurred. After the rollback the price continued to move up again, also up to the level while there is still space. At the same time the main price lows become higher. The price has an excellent potential to increase. At the same time, several points have already appeared under the graph, and this means that in the near future the price will move up. In this situation, I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes to increase, and I think in this situation 2 minutes will be quite enough for us. Even taking into account a possible pro trade or a small pullback down. After that, the upward movement will surely continue, and so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Definitely, it's quite good. The price continued to move up and we are making profit here. The indicator was right again and everything is going great. We have a level of support down here. We also see that after the pullback, the price has entered the pro trading zone and is moving in this range. But at the same time, the overall price potential is going down. The main price highs are getting lower. Also at the same time, several points have already appeared above the chart, and here I propose to open a deal for 2 minutes to decrease. I think that in the near future the price will continue to move towards the level. It is also possible that it will be broken through. 2 minutes also is a margin taking into account possible pro trade or a small pullback up. And just at the moment we see that a pullback is taking place, so I think 2 minutes will be quite enough. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Great guys, the price continued to move down and support level was broken and we are making profit here. The indicator gave us a good entry point, everything is going great. Let's continue and consider the following market situation. Here we have a level of support. We also see that after the pullback the price has again approached the level and is already starting to break through it. Let's open a deal here for 2 minutes to decrease, and the price here has an excellent potential for a decline. I think that in this level will be broken in the near future. Also our entry point was confirmed by our indicator and a couple of points have already appeared above our chart. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. That's the result I want guys. The price confidently continued to move down and we are making profit here. Also the indicator again suggested a good entry point and this pattern works perfectly in the market. So guys, let's continue and consider the following market situation. Here we have an internal level of support. We also see that at the moment there is a certain compression of our level. Also several points are already being formed above the graph. At the same time, the general trend of the price is going down. Price highs are getting lower and this situation somehow reminds us of the figure of technical analysis descending triangle. In this situation, I suggest opening a deal for 3 minutes to decrease. I think that in the near future the price will continue to move towards the level. It is also possible that it will be broken through it. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, it's not bad guys, this level has been breached and after that there was a logical pullback up and we are making a profit here. Everything is going great, let's continue. Here we have a level of support. We also see that there was a good confident and downward movement and after touching the level there was a rollback up. Now, after the rollback, the price had turned around and is moving down and a couple of dots have already appeared above our chart. In this situation, we will open a deal for 3 minutes to decrease. I think that the price will continue to move towards the level in the near future since the overall price potential is also going down. 3 minutes also with a margin taking into account possible pro trade, and so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. So guys, that's really great result. The price really continued to move down and we are making a profit here. On my deposit I already have $5,000. So I think we will end here because I fulfilled my plan for today. So I finish my trade and leave the market. With the right approach, this strategy will work well. So try, trade, train, and I'm sure you will succeed it. And I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something new today. And guys, please put a big thumbs up to this video. I really try to show you all my tips and tricks how to work with Parabolic star indicator, and I really appreciate your support. Subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my new videos. Also, I just want to remind you, if you are not in my closed group where I'm sharing trading signals, then text me a code word signal on my Telegram account, the link in the description box. I will add you to this group and you will trade even more successfully. So I will see you in the next video. Bye!